Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to automate calendar management with Dola AI in 2026. Managing a calendar manually can take a lot of time, especially when you have recurring meetings, reminders, appointments, and constantly changing plans. Dola AI can help simplify these tasks by allowing you to manage your schedule through natural language commands. First, open Dola AI and make sure your supported calendar is connected. Once the connection is active, review your existing calendar so you know which events and commitments are already scheduled. One of the easiest ways to automate your calendar is by creating recurring events. For example, you can tell Dola, schedule a team meeting every Monday at 10 a.m. This can save you from manually creating the same event every week if recurring events are supported in your setup. You can also automate reminders for regular tasks. For example, you could say, remind me every Friday at 4 p.m. to review my weekly report. This creates a consistent routine without requiring you to remember the reminder each week. Another useful feature is conversational scheduling. Instead of manually opening the calendar and changing multiple fields, you can describe the change directly. For example, you might say, move tomorrow's meeting to 3 p.m. You can also use Dola to organize tasks around your existing events. For example, if you have an important meeting in the afternoon, you can schedule preparation time earlier in the day. When automating your calendar, avoid creating too many events or reminders. Automation works best when it keeps your schedule organized rather than making it more complicated. It's also important to review automated events regularly.